If you are an e-commerce business owner or you sell products online on Instagram, on Facebook, GG, and so on and so forth, right? Pay close attention to this video because I'm about to show you what is going to blow up your business in 2024. All right, yeah. This tool I'm going to show you is going to help you create professional pictures of your product. All right, all you just have to do is have just one single picture of your product that is very sharp and bright. You can even download it from online if you know how to. Okay, so just stay through to the end of this video. Let me show you how you can turn a single picture to over 10 or 15 different designs depending on what you want. Okay, so let's jump in right into it. My name is Okafumi Cynthia, in case you're visiting this channel for the first time. And on this channel, I talk about cryptocurrency, make money online, marketing tools, etc. Okay, so let's get started. The app we're going to be using for this is Capcut. When you open up your Capcut app, the first thing you have to do is, before you open up the editing part, you just click on this collapse. You can see it, just bring it down. You can see the different options that is available here. Okay, now we have photo editor, auto cut, product pictures. We're going to be clicking on product pictures. Okay, so this is it here. You click on product pictures. All right, and when you click on the product pictures, you can select your product. Remember, before now, you have to have a very sharp picture of your product. It can be the picture that you took with your smartphone, or a picture that you downloaded from the internet that you want to now put in different backgrounds that will make it have different variations, because you're not the customer. If you're running Facebook ads like me, or people like me who do e-commerce, you know that you can have one picture in 4 different backgrounds and just one of them will be converting. Okay, so that is it. With this tool I'm going to show you, you can have different variations of your product on different backgrounds. Okay, so that is it. Now this is a picture I have downloaded. All right, so let's assume that I want to sell this dark spots remover. Okay, so all I just have to do is, I've downloaded a very fine picture of it from the internet. The next thing I need to do is to bring it to my Capcut. Okay, and you can see it's going to automatically remove the background. Okay, so very neat and sharp. Okay, it's going to remove the background, and after it's done removing the background, you're going to see different options. There's an option for AI background, and there's an option for color background. Okay, you can just, let's say you want to just make it black, you want to just give it plain colors, just like this. Okay, so this is it. But what I love the most is the AI background, because it gives it a real feel. Okay, it makes it look real, like actually it makes it look as if you took the pictures to the studio and snapped it. Okay, like gives you that professional look. Okay, now let me show you an example of this. You can see it here. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, so guys, with this thing I'm going to be showing you now, all you just have to do is get one picture, enhance it to different backgrounds, and start marketing your business. You don't need to be using low quality pictures for your products any longer, when there is a tool like this to help you actually look more professional. Okay, so you can see this one right here. I believe you can see it right on my screen. Okay, so there are a lot of backgrounds here that you can play with. Okay, you can see this one. This is the water drop background. Okay, a lot of different backgrounds you can play with. Is loading up, is generating it, because once you click on it, the Capcut AI is going to automatically put in your picture in place of the perfume picture that is already there. Okay, so that is it. There is different designs. There is different background designs I'm going to show you. You can see it's right on my screen, looking very sharp and clean. Okay, so that is it. Then you can go to this one. I'm under the section studio. Okay, so you can as well use countertop. Okay, so you can see it will give it a feel that looks like as if you kept it on your work table and just took a picture of it. Okay, so I can say that you can even use this to, create you can even use this to create your UGC, all right, which is user generated pictures that are still looking very sharp and professional. All right, so I don't know why most people are not talking about this, but then that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, start using it for your business, start promoting your business with it, and I did you not, people are going to resonate more with the pictures that you put out. In fact, recently I used this more to generate different pictures. If I want to run 10 different campaigns now and I don't want to stress myself, and it's a product that I know that picture can sell, all I just have to do is come to this product photos on Capcut and get at least 4 or 5 different photos of my product, and then source for the other ones, design it by myself, and so on and so forth. And I have different 10 variations of images to test run with my ads. Okay, so that is it. You can see countertop. Okay, then you can they have a lot of other ones. You can see some of them that are looking more natural than you will ever imagine. Okay, very cool. All right, this one is loading. There are a lot of them out there that you can actually explore. Okay, you can explore different backgrounds. Here is interior. Okay, then there is flower. That is if you want it to be behind a flower. Okay, so that is it. I hope this video helps you to make better and quality pictures for your products. I hope you are enjoying this particular tutorial. If you are, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if you already know about this tool. Okay, let me know if you already know about this tool, and if you are already using it. Have you used it before? If you do e-commerce, have you used it before? Did it convert for you? I have used it personally before, and some of them actually converted. You already know. So even some adverts, even some video adverts, UGC creators who do for you with as high as 40,000, 60,000 naira, use it to test run an advert, and it's not converting. Okay, so it's not all of them that will convert, but majority of them will surely convert. Okay, because this Capcut app gives it a real feel. Okay, and that is what I love more about it. All right, so if you got value from this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to create more videos like this, teaching you 1 or 2 things that you need to do to improve your business and also get more customers for your business, all right, let me know in the comment section so that I can put 1 or 2 keywords on my future videos that I'm going to do for this channel. All right, so thank you very much for watching. If you have not seen my face before, or if this is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube, my name is Mary Cynthia, and on this channel I talk about cryptocurrency, make money online, marketing, e-commerce, and lots more. Okay, my goal on this channel is to teach everything I know about the internet marketing business, make money online, and everything, in fact every single thing I know about internet marketing business. That is my goal for being on YouTube, and that is what you are going to be getting from me as long as you are subscribed, as long as you are watching my videos. Okay, so let me know if this is your first time of coming across my video, and also I want to believe that if you have watched this video to this extent, you owe me a subscribe. So subscribe to my channel and like this video so that more people get to see and learn from it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.